Like a bird set free, it will fly to the...
What's up guys, it's your man Ehzlah here, and I got a little unboxing for you guys. I got some new G Fuel, so we're going to unbox that right now. Let me get a knife. Alright, so let's see what we got in here. I already know what we got in here. Alright, so what we got is, we got some watermelon G Fuel. I'm really excited about that. We got some pink lemonade G Fuel. I ordered more, but they were all out of the tubs, so I had to get like separate boxes because they're gonna get the rest. We got fruit punch G Fuel. The order information. Got this cardigan, 10% off G Fuel. Pretty awesome. Get your gear, 15% off G Fuel. It's actually pretty sweet. Or actually just like apparel and stuff. Oh, got a Mario G Fuel sticker. That's awesome. I actually really like that. I'll probably put that on my Nintendo or something like that. And I got another Game Lab sticker, guys. I'm actually really excited about this. G Fuel is my favorite drink, so to be able to order all this makes me really happy. Hey guys, this is all the stuff. I don't know if I can get that to balance. Alright, well, anyway, hope you guys liked. If you did, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Peace.